In front of me is Apple iPhone 13 Pro, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select General, and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then select Reset, and here you need to pick Reset All Settings. Then provide your passcode, and click on Reset All Settings. Then you need to confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone, so you need to be 100% sure that you want to do it, and if you are, just click and wait until it's done. And that's it. So that will be all. As you can see, all the settings have been reset, and you can use your device as a new one actually. So you can change the brightness, change the wallpaper, passcode, and so on. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.